Hello.
Hi.
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 Mko fiti?
Kabisa.
Okay. You dating?
No.
Dating?
No.
Okay, sawa. Social media handles?
Miss Njuguna, TikTok and Instagram. Stacy.
Okay. This question. The weird thing you have ever done for love?
The weirdest thing. Trusting a man. Yeah. Trusting a man and also loving a man who never deserved to be loved by me. Yeah.
So character development ilipigwa hapo.
Hey, mbaya sana. Niliona dust.
Okay.
Loving a man 100%. Hey,
Loving a man.
100%. That's bad.
Ngori.
So what happened?
Hey, ukipenda mtu umpe, hey, no way. You men,
So character development as well.
yeah.
Mimi nilifikiria lawyers huwa wapigwi character development.
Tunaona dust huko nje, but tunakuwa tu chill and reacting according to the law.
Okay.
Yeah.
So one thing at least unaweza ambia msee mwenye ako amependa sana.
Asipende sana.
Hey, kuwa na photocopy. Hey. Usipende sana.